This cream costs $200. Women across America use it every single day.
But what they don't know is what's actually inside it.
Nobody has ever shown you this factory process before.
Stay till the end, and this will change how you look at your bathroom shelf.
The process starts hundreds of miles from shore.
Keep it coming fast as you can. Next hook ready, watch the snap.
They wait up to 12 hours. They are not after the meat.
Keep the tension steady. Oh! He's thrashing hard, watch the line. Almost there, bring it up slowly.
One organ inside this animal makes it worth 10 times any other fish.
22.5 feet. 22.5, confirmed.
The liver can make up 25% of this shark's entire body weight.
Where do you want this one? Over by the warehouse. Keep it moving.
The liver must reach the factory within 24 hours, or quality drops dramatically.
Manifest for the delivery. Hold one moment. Security to gate. Confirm inbound shipment.
Roger that.
All right, pull through.
If you are learning something new, viewer, hit subscribe. More processes like this every week.
One large shark liver holds the potential for over 100 liters of oil. Cold press extraction begins. Raw oil starts flowing. Six stages of purification.
each stage removing more impurities. Pure squalene, one of the most powerful natural moisturizers ever discovered.
Which brands are actually using this? The answer coming up will surprise you.
The ratio has to be exact. Too much and the cream feels oily.
Nowhere on this label does it say shark. That is the secret.
From ocean to luxury shelf, NIVEA, shipped to markets worldwide. The ocean's predator. Your bathroom shelf. The same product.
Flip your $200 cream over. Look for this word head, squalene or squalane.
Heave. Really. Pull it up, ladies.
If this changed how you see your bathroom shelf, Clyde, subscribe for more factory secrets every week. Make sure the calibration is precise on line 3.
Right. Already done, Supervisor.
Subscribe now, Lamb. Every week we go inside the factories the world does not want you to see.